YouTube just made a significant changes to the YouTube monetization policy under the YouTube partnership program, which is going to be effective starting from July 15th, 2025. And this new YouTube monetization policy is going to affect most channels that falls under these categories I'm about to share in this video. Either you're sure it's going to affect you or not, it is very important for you to watch this video to the very end so you can understand what this monetization policy is all about. I have seen so many videos on YouTube that has actually led to so many creators panicking on this new YouTube monetization policy. But this particular video is going to express to you majorly what you're to focus on, and if at all you fall under the categories of people or creators that this monetization policy is going to affect, I am still going to share with you what exactly you have to do so as to save your monetization on YouTube. That's if you're monetized, and if not, so you can still get monetized at the long run. As we all know, YouTube is #1 video sharing platform, and they are trying their best to keep that authenticity. So because of that, YouTube actually made changes to their monetization policy to keep videos here authentic, real, and mostly creative. In the past few months or year, so to say, YouTube has been flooded with several diverse contents, both real content and content that are not genuine, content that are not authentically created. I mean content that does not require human effort at all. And most creators and other business creators are actually using this to fetch a lot of money from YouTube monetization, and this on the part of YouTube doesn't seem so well. This policy updates arrives as YouTube is now flooded with AI generated videos that requires no effort at all to create, meaning that probably a creator go to ChatGPT to get content idea and go straight to an AI generative platform, generate the video. This platform also still had voiceover on the video, and creators come ahead and post it directly on YouTube without any changes or anything at all. And this seems so unreal to YouTube. So what this policy is going to face originally is all those channels that post AI content that has voiceover that is also AI generated, meaning there's no human effort required in creating such content. And also any channel that use reused content, posting a content or a particular topic that has been expressed in the past and reposting it or repurposing it so as to make revenue or make more income on YouTube, or content that has low effort compilation, compiling some sort of content that does not require any human effort yet. All this kind of content will no longer be eligible for monetization, and if at all they're already monetized, YouTube is ready to demonetize them, sadly. So if you're among one of the creators that creates AI content, you already know now that you have to add human effort to your content to make it validated on YouTube. If you have been generating your videos directly with AI, you've been generating voiceover directly with AI and posting it here on YouTube, it's no longer allowed. So you don't waste your efforts. What you need to do now is to start putting human voiceover on that particular AI content so you can still be able to keep on with the policy. And also there is new feature that is on YouTube that allows you to label your content, either it is alter content or real content. This alter content labeling is going to help YouTube identify the kind of content you just shared. And if your channel does not fall into the category of alter content, meaning you're creating real content as I am doing right now, you're going to answer no instead of yes. So henceforth, all creators are now expected to add human effort to creating their videos. You have to make it real. You have to add voiceover that is your own voiceover, just to make sure that your content is validated here on YouTube. If not, you would be cut off from YouTube monetization or probably not be able to get monetized at all. And this is not just to make content creators on YouTube feel bad. It's just to keep one thing for sure, that YouTube remains #1 video sharing platform all over the world, with genuine videos, with authentic videos, with videos that are real and factual. So I hope this do you well. If you like this channel and you like to see this beautiful face again, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting content like this. If you find this video helpful, like this video, drop comments for me, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will definitely see you in my next video. Until then, bye.